Yo, what's up, people? This is the NSK, and today I'm going to be talking about indexers. And I don't know, why did I say it like that? Yo, what is up, people? This is the NSK, and today I'm going to be talking about indexers. And I'm going to show you guys how you can use indexers, and hopefully by the end of the day, you understand them and you are able to use them in the future. So, an indexer is a smart array. It's considered as a smart array. It's a class property that allows you to access a variable in an array-like structure. That is why it's considered a smart array. So to create an indexer, we're going to use this keyword inside a class to show that this is a indexer. But before we get to that, let's come up with a nice little example to further explain indexers. Let's say we want to store the names of people who are subscribed to this channel, BomCodi. So we're going to create a class on the side in a new project. Make sure you have a new project if you're practicing. We're gonna say add class. I'm gonna call this class indexer. And then in here, inside indexer, we're going to create an array. We want to be able to access this array as an indexer. Yeah. Okay. So let's start with the access modifier. I'm going to declare it as private. Give it a data type. Since we want to store names of people, we're going to use string. Put the square bracket there. Give this guy a name. I'm going to call it my names or my people, the people who are subscribed to the channel. And then we're going to say new string. Since we're declaring it in this form, we need to give it a size. Let's just give it a size of 10. Actually, let's try 100. We want to reach 100 subs soon. So let's give it a limit of 100. And then now we're gonna start building. We're gonna start building the indexer. So we start with the modifier first. I'm gonna say public. We're gonna give it a return type. Since we're dealing with people and as a string, what if we want to retrieve the names of specific people at specific indexes? So we're going to give it a return type of string. And then usually here we write a name for a method, but this is not a method. Yeah? We use this keyword to declare a indexer. And then we don't use normal braces like this. Instead we use these square braces over there, and like that. In here you're going to give it an argument because we need to accept an index or accept a name and assign it to something usually, but for now we're just going to give it this. We're going to give it this. Alright, now let's get into the other section of it. So we're going to start off by setting. This is how you set. This is how you set. Yes. So we're gonna call our array my people. Given an index, the index is gonna be the argument we have over here, and then we're gonna set it equals to the value that we're gonna put in. I'll show you how we use this later. And then we're gonna get over here. We're gonna use a get, and then in the get, remember we need to return a person from the array. So we're going to say return. We start off with the return keyword, and then we go over to the array of ours. So my people, and then give it the index. This thing will always receive an index. Index for assigning, index for retrieving. Always. This is basically our indexer. Yes. Let's move on to the program. And then on the program, we're going to create an object. we're going to use this object to access the array within our indexer class. So let's build object. Just gonna call it indexer. Call it my obj for my object is equals to new indexer. And then once we have that, we are able to put people within the indexer. How we do that? We just use our object. Just use our object, my object. Remember, we're accessing it array-like. And then we're gonna put in the first person in the subscriber list. It's supposed to be B and it's K, which is me, and boom. In that way, we were able to store a name inside our indexer using the object we created right over here in the main. Let us add maybe 3 more people. And I made a mistake, should have started from 0 since it's an array. And but I'm not number 0, I'm number 1. Number 1 should be, or number 2 in this case should be, let's say John. And then let's go to the third index and add 1 more person. And let's say Paul. Yes. Now that we see how to assign values within our array using the object, let us display values that are inside the display values that are inside our array. Yes, that's what I wanted to say. So for the displaying part, let us use console.write. Right line like this. In here we're gonna display the name, right? We use the very same object. Remember, it's array like. Let us display number 0 there and close. Here at the end, let's say console.read key so that it doesn't run everything and then close after execution. Ooh, suspicious file detected. I wonder what that is. Okay, there you see it, the NSK within the array inside the indexer. And that is more or less how indexers work. So how about you try and do what I did here for practice and then come up with your own example. Store ages, store names of places, store anything. It will be good practice, believe you me. Have a good one. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah. Leave a comment as well.